What is the value of the expression 8 plus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 8 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's go step by step and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the expression 8 plus 2 in the numerator of this fraction and replace the whole expression with 10 divided by 2 times 8 over 2. And the next step, they move on to the division between 10 and 2 and simplify this expression to 5 multiplied by 8 over 2. Then they say the 2 in the denominator and the 8 in the numerator of this fraction can be simplified and the final answer will be 20. Then, without any hesitation, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through a step by step how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we must strictly follow the steps outlined by the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to carry out all the operations from top to bottom in order. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in the numerator of this fraction, we have an addition sign, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must perform multiplication and division first, because they have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and carry out the multiplication and division step by step. So, first we go for the division between 2 and 2. And we can write the whole expression as 8 plus 1 times 8 over 2. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 1 and 8, which simplifies this expression to 8 plus 8 over 2. Finally, we handle the addition in the numerator and simplifying this expression to 16 over 2, which ultimately gives us the answer 8. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 36 divided by 12 times open parenthesis 5 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplify this expression to 36 divided by 12 times 3. And the next step, they go for the multiplication sign that I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 36 divided by 36, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let's go step by step together and show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 36 divided by 12 multiplied by 3. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 36 and 12, which simplifies this expression to 3 multiplied by 3. And finally, the answer becomes 9.